Hello everybody, Will here from CreativeTeam, and okay, hear me out. So you've started a business, or you've got a business going for a little while now, but you want to increase its reach and you also want to make it easier for people to find you. But where do you begin? Well, that's what we're here to solve today. Join us as we cover the 10 easy steps on how to create a website. The first thing we need to do is plan. Without this step, you'll just be wandering aimlessly as you create a website. That's not something we want. So some things to consider would be, what's the purpose of this website? Is it to drive traffic? Is it to sell items? What problem do I have that this website can solve? Once you have that idea in your head, plan out the layout and how you want it to function. Each website serves a different purpose, and knowing that purpose will help with the layout. A restaurant will need their menu on their page, an about page, a gallery of food items. Knowing what you need, the layout, and how you're going to market yourself will solve a lot of problems ahead of time. Now that you have your layout, logo, and purpose, it's time to register your domain. The domain is basically the name of your website, everything between the www all the way to the end. Now, it's best to register it and get it secured because sometimes other people already have the domain that you might want. So it's a good idea to look around and see what there is and the prices. Check to see what's available to you. The ending that we normally use is .com. However, there are plenty of URL endings that you can choose from. If you plan on being a content creation style website, .tv is a good choice. If you're a nonprofit organization, .org is a good choice as well. If you're a commercial business, then .com is the good way to go. There are plenty out there to choose from, so find one that is appropriate for you. Once you have your domain name of choice and know it's available, it's time to pick the host provider. The domain may be the name of your website, but the host is where all the files, images, and data is stored. Now, the reason we didn't purchase the domain in the last step is because usually, when you start a website with a host, depending on who you choose, they can give you the first year of your domain for free. So not only does that lock your domain in for you, but it also makes it free for the first year. Some will provide security free for the first year as well. So it's best to do your research on hosts before jumping into one. Getting those good deals could save you money in the short run and get you up and running faster. Now, some hosts do have website building built into their package automatically. This is true for Squarespace, Wix, and similar others. Now, the caveat with that is you won't have full control over everything that you may want to do. So please do your research on your host and make sure they're the right fit for you and what you want to do based on what you planned. For this particular video, we'll be using a standard hosting only platform. In instances like these, they usually help you install a website builder. Now, you can code it yourself and upload it to the host for the utmost control. However, if you don't have a dedicated website employee, it's best to install a website builder such as WordPress. Most hosting services have the option to install WordPress right from the get-go to make things easy for you. Now, there's definitely a lot more that we can cover with hosts and domains, so if you have any questions or you'd like to see this covered in more detail, let us know down in the comments section down below. Once WordPress is installed, you have officially started building your site. Don't forget to look back at your plan once you get started. It's your roadmap to getting this set up the way you want it. Initially, you'll see this dashboard. It may look a bit impressive, but it's easy to work with, I promise you. Now, WordPress has the latest theme initially installed. The theme is a basic building block to get you started with your website. By going to Appearance on the left-hand side, you'll see Theme. This is where you can look through pre-installed themes or even check out the ones online available to you. Look through them, take your time inspecting them, find the one that best fits your purpose, install it, and activate it. Now that we have our theme installed, we can begin working on that first page. However, it's important that a plugin called Elementor is installed. This plugin makes it easy to drag, drop, and have a visual understanding of what you're building. Go to Plugins and Add New Plugin. Search Elementor and install and activate it. Now we can go to the first page and begin editing. By going to the page and clicking Edit with Elementor, we can easily just drag and drop the items we want based on our plan and outline for the page. It's as easy as that. Once you have your page set up, you'll probably notice that you won't be able to change the header or footer in this section. It's really easy to change both by going to Customize. Within this menu, you can adjust your header, footer, and top menus based on what pages you have made and what designs you wish to do. Just be sure to follow your outline. With only one page though, you can't really add to the menu, so it's time to add more pages and fill out your website. You can easily go to Pages, Add New Page, Edit with Elementor, and follow the earlier steps. You will eventually have a list of pages that best suit your needs, and you can add them to the menu just as easily as the header and footer changes. So you have all of these pages, your menus are ready, links are set up, everything's ready to go. This is where you want to double check everything. You don't want to go live with a broken site or a broken link and you can't operate like you want. Quality assurance is highly important. Click every link, click every menu item, use that contact page and send yourself a test message. Once you're ready, you can officially launch your site and you are set. Alright, there you have it. It's as easy as that. Now your site is launched and you can bring in customers. And if you're having trouble with any of that, check out CreativeTeam.io. See how we can help you bring your ideas into reality with customization for companies of all sizes. If there's any other things that we covered that you want me to go more in depth on, please let us know in the comment section down below. While you're down there, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.